Start here. I got two different hacks, killer hacks for this Milwaukee M12. Big shout out to Adam and Ryan at the Deal Team 6. Big shout out to them for posting this. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way you to rest the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. This is the second time I record this because the first one didn't want to work. Alright, so M12 fuel 12-volt lithium brushless coreless 3/8 ratchet kit with 2 amp hour charger and tool bag. Alright, so you're gonna get the 2 amp hour battery. You're gonna get a M12 charger, a soft carrying case, the M12 fuel 3/8 ratchet. If you guys do see, it does say free tool. So you guys go down here to the $2.99, and let's see here. Let's see what we got. Alright, so you can choose from the radio. This is valued at $169. You can choose from the cordless compact inflator, valued at $129. Or you can choose from the cordless grease gun. This is going to be the best deal probably for this grease gun. So if you guys are looking for this grease gun, check it out. Add both to cart. Yes, guys, the grease gun, it's going to drop down from $179 to $111. This is something that you don't see up every day, as in hacks. So I would definitely pick it up if you need it, because it's rare. All right, so this one's the Ratchet. So if you're looking for the Ratchet, I'm gonna have another deal. Like I said, big shout out to Adam and Ryan for that. $187 down for this one. All right, so let's go over the other deal. Let me just go to the card here and delete what I have here real quick, because I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, so let's go over to the other one. All right, so the other deal is this is right here. So this is M12 3/8 ratchet with the 1/4-inch impact driver, 2 batteries and charger in the bag. So this is gonna be the brand new Gen 3 M12 1/4-inch hex impact driver. Got the M12 3/8 high speed ratchet is the newer one. It's the fastest. You got the M12 lithium 2 amp hour battery times 2. So you got 2 of those. You got a charger contractor bag. So $249 for that. You go down here to the free gift with purchase, and after that you're gonna see select the battery. Obviously this is the only one you have, so select that. All right, you're gonna go down here. The battery you're gonna get it for $59.97. That is a brand new high output battery. This is a 2.5 amp hour high output battery. And then for the Ratchet and the kit with the impact driver, you're gonna get for $189.03. That's a killer deal on that one. You're gonna get the 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. That's a really good deal because you're getting 2 different tools. Those are really good tools, and they're newer tools too. For $189 is pretty good. So less than $100 a piece, plus with batteries and charger and a bag. So killer deal. I'll leave you guys the link down below on the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.